I was done growing up, had enough of chasing down the sun, but suddenly I can see everything evergreen. I won't pretend I ever found my way. I've made my healthy share of fair mistakes, still learning to give and the take. But
Hi guys! 1 week na since I last posted my vlog to update you guys. Nagkasakit kasi ako. That is why I was not able to take videos and vlogs. Just wanted to have some breath of fresh air. Kaya right now lumabas tayo. I just decided to go nearby. If you're familiar with ruins of the Alcatraz right here in Roa City, Capiz, dun tayo pupunta ngayon. Hangin muna ako dito. Suot muna tayo ng earrings. Let's have some breath of fresh air.
Girl, me want see you wind up on me. One body not the party for me. Girl, me love it when you wind up on me. See you waistline off my mat, me baby. Girl, let me see you take a little one, but me see you beneath you drive me crazy. Baby, you're the girl that beneath you, the wine beneath you.
Hello guys! Ayan. So, nandito tayo ngayon sa ruins of Alcatraz. Medyo hiningal ako paakyat. Kasama ko yung mga batang yon paakyat. So, yung naka-brown, yun yung nag-video sa akin kanina paakyat dito.
Party out, girl I create damage like bombs on your rock. Pretty cute face like moms on your daughter. Take your dance floor badness back of that. Show me everything what you got. Bend over then you arch up your back. I can't like you, me no want like that. No sir, yeah. You ball a girl and I know behavior. Pretty face bad bitch icebreaker. She make me stand at things like me, yeah. Woulda trade anything just be there, yeah.
I'm on the edge. Guys, do not do this at home. Taking a video. Ang ganda ng lugar.
At this point, siguro nagtataka ka kung ano yung ginagawa ko dito. Well, ginajotdown ko lang naman yung mga natapos ko na for the vlog at kung ano pa ba yung kailangan kong gawin. Well, you know, call it scripted or whatever. Vlogging is not easy and I thought this place is perfect for me to think of many things that I need for this vlog, and yeah, this is how I do it.
Guys, doon tayo nang galing kanina. And ayan yung wall ng ruins of Alcatraz. Yan. Baba na tayo. And then ikot tayo dun sa kabila kanina. Pagbalik sa ating campervan. Oh. Doon ako kanina sa itaas. Ooh. Ang taas, no? I think dyan ako kanina. Where to point? Dyan banda. Dami pa rin tao. Gabi pawis na ako. Punta tayo doon. Hello. Naog ka na ya. Wait lang ah. Video ka mo. Hi! I think we've got a better view of the ruins of Alcatraz. Ayan, mas maganda siyang tingnan dyan sa likod. Hey, what's up guys? Nandito na tayo sa Parola. It's a restaurant, so we'll just order a beverage here. Nag-park lang tayo dito saglit because I am feeling hungry and I want to cook something for my meal tonight. So, yung meal ko very basic lang. Meron akong tinapay dito, Angelina. Meron din akong oranges, and meron din akong itlog, and then some seasoning. So I'll just make a simple meal, and then for the beverage, we'll just order sa kanilang restaurant. Guys, I am so bright. This whole thing is epic. Nakalimutan ko lang naman yung butane. So, paano ko nga naman mapapa-under tong stove natin kung wala tayong panggatong? Paano ko maluluto yung itlog? Paano ko matutoast yung bread? This is so sad. That's one of my goals for this vlog. And that is to be able to cook inside the van. And since I'm all alone, I prepared everything all by myself. At dahil medyo forgetful tayo minsan. So, yeah. I forgot the fuel. Wala tayong butane. Meron tayong stove, pero wala tayong fuel. Wala tayong gas. Okay, so yung mangyayari ngayon is, since I ordered cheese sticks with mayonnaise na dip, so gagawa na lang tayo ng sandwich. Congratulations to me for doing such a great job. Prepare na lang tayo ng oranges. Gawa na lang tayo ng sandwich. Ayan o.
Quiero llorar y no puedo dejar pensando en ti, pensando en ti. Y extraño tus besos y por todo lo que has hecho. Estoy agradecido, estoy agradecido. Y siempre tenía comida en mi